Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm excited to show you how to customize the footer color on any page using a simple toggle. This technique makes it easy to personalize your website by allowing different footer colors on various pages. It's an effortless and straightforward process that anyone can implement. On each page, the footer color is consistent except for the About Us page. When you return to the dashboard and edit the page, you will notice that the footer color toggle is on. To restore the footer color and make it the same as the rest of the pages, simply turn off the toggle. In this tutorial, we will start by using ACPT to create a toggle field. To achieve this, we must first create field groups. To do so, go to ACPT, click on Field Groups, create a meta group, and assign a name to it. Next, we need to specify where our custom fields will be displayed. This step is crucial. Click on Add Condition, choose Post Type, leave the condition as is equal to, and ensure the value is set to Pages to display the custom field on our pages. In the next step, we'll create a meta box and give it a name. After that, we'll add a custom field, give your custom field a label, and choose Toggle as the field type. Lastly, save it. Now that we have created the toggle field and configured it to display on pages only, let's proceed to verify if all our pages are displaying the toggle field as intended. To move forward, we need to edit the footer template since the toggle is appearing on every page. Start by navigating to the bricks, then click on Templates. Find your footer template in the list and click Edit with Bricks. To set up our footer template as desired, we'll start by adding an attribute. First, click on the footer section of your design, then find and click the Style button. Within the Style settings, go to the Attributes section and select Add Attributes. For this tutorial, we'll name it Footer Background Color. Since the value for this attribute will be added dynamically, click on the dynamic icon and set the value to the custom field toggle we created earlier. That's all for adding an attribute. Now let's write some CSS to handle the toggle changes. Typically, when the toggle is turned on, it returns a true value, and when it's off, it returns a false value. Based on this logic, we'll structure our CSS as follows. This instruction specifies that when the toggle value is true, the background color should be changed to red. Once you've saved your changes, head back to the dashboard, click on Pages, then locate the page where you want to change the footer color and switch the toggle on. In this tutorial, we'll begin with the About Us page to verify that everything is functioning correctly. Now, as you can see, the footer of our About Us page has a red background color, while the footers on all other pages are green, which is the global background color of our footer. To ensure that the other pages are functioning correctly, let's also change the background color of our FAQ page footer and see the results. That's all there is to it. Everything is working as expected. This is how easy it is to change the background color of the footer on a specific page. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for more tips and tutorials.